Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'll teach you how to put an image into a shape. It's a fairly easy process. Now for this we want to select the option for logo right here and make sure you have imported your image. Now from here we want to go to the elements page and we want to search for frame. Type frame, press enter, and as you can see you get these different shapes which you can crop your image into. Now for this example I'm going to use the circle frame, so just left click on it and drop it right here onto the page. And now we want to import our image. So how do we do that? We want to click on uploads and we want to press on upload file and select the file which we want to import, or our image. I already have it imported here, so I'm going to use this one. How can we crop it? You just drag and drop, and as you can see it creates a circular version of it. It crops it that way. Now I think this does a fairly good job and it's very easy to use. So I hope this was useful. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you fellas next time. Bye bye.